Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. I'm Lindy Peters and I'm a financial coach, here to help you plan for a brighter future and help you make more of your hard-earned pennies by budgeting, saving, motivation and guidance. Now a little bit more about me and my channel. Now my channel is all about financial education and financial freedom. Now with financial freedom, that doesn't mean you need to earn millions. You don't need to be a millionaire to be financially free. It's all about knowing what money you do have and to live below your means and to make sure you've got money for the stuff you really want instead of just wasting it on stuff you don't actually need or want. Now a little bit more about me, your host. Now I started working at the age of 15. I didn't really understand money. All I knew is I wanted my own paycheck to buy my own clothes, the stuff I wanted, because me and my parents didn't always see eye to eye about what I wanted to buy. So I decided I'm going to get my job to buy the things I want. Now, I got married at the age of 20. Luckily for me, my husband was a bit more money savvy than me, so he could teach me a bit about finances. But unfortunately, we didn't have the education about money that we have today. We were really struggling at that stage. We were living paycheck to paycheck, not knowing how to pay our bills, only being able to afford one plate of food every single day to be able to live on. So we do understand how hard it can be when you don't have the money, when you don't understand how money works. Now, just like with everyone else, life threw loads of punches at us and we had to roll with the punches and get up and keep going. Because the thing is, you can't stop planning, you can't stop trying, because if you do, you end up just wasting your money and not being able to achieve the things you want to achieve. Now our plan is to buy our first family home within the next 3 years. Hopefully at that stage we would have reached our target of half a mortgage. So we only need to borrow half of the money of the house, which means we have two options. We only need to pay the money we spend now every single month on rent, or we can lower it and save more money for retirement. Either way, it's a win-win. Doesn't matter what decision we make. That is something we definitely need to have a look at when we get to that stage, depending on what it is we need to pay for the mortgage. But I would definitely think a good idea is to stay to the amount we are paying now every single month, so that we can pay off the mortgage a lot quicker. So when we do get to retirement age, it's not something we have to worry about, that we already have our house, which means we need a lot less money. Now, I learned a lot throughout the years about saving money, financial education, and how to make your money stretch. Now, my next journey is on how to make passive income, because I understand MLMs and running your own business, but I don't know a lot about making a passive income. Now I'll be taking you guys on my journey on how to make a passive income so that you can see what I'm doing, see what I'm putting in place, and hopefully there's some ideas that you can take and learn about and go and do your own research so that you can maybe get your own passive income going as well. So hopefully when you reach retirement, just like what I'm planning to do, is you will have at least have some kind of passive income coming in apart from your retirement fund and anything else you've saved for your retirement. Because the thing is, a passive income is a great way to earn money without doing anything. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Please leave any topic request or any questions for me in the comments below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.